In this video we take a look at the plain seam. Stay with me and I'll show you how. The plain seam is the most basic seam in sewing, where we've stitched two pieces of fabric together, placing the right sides of the fabric together. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is to finish the two edges that we're joining together. That means that we want to prevent the edges from fraying. We do this by running a zigzag stitch along the edge. Now I've made my zigzag stitches along the edges. I can now stitch these two sides together. In sewing, you will hear sides of the fabric being referred to as right side and wrong side. The right side is the part that will be shown on the outside of the garment, and the wrong side will be on the inside. So if, like these two pieces, your fabric has a pattern, the pattern will be on the right side of the fabric, and the back side is referred to as the wrong side. I've used these two patterned fabrics as an example. Now to make our seam, we line our two edges up, placing the right sides of the fabric together. We set our machine to straight stitch, and we stitch along the edge on the inside of the zigzag stitch. We then press our seam open, meaning that the seam allowance on both sides has the right sides facing inwards. And now we have a neatly finished seam. Here it is from the right side and the wrong side. And that's how to do the plain seam.